Hello friends, welcome my YouTube channel, that is RL Chemistry. Today I am going to discussing about another important rearrangement reaction, that is Feversky rearrangement reaction. In this rearrangement reaction I give a definition, a reaction mechanism, and I give a few applications of this Feversky rearrangement reaction. Okay, now I give a definition of this Feversky rearrangement reaction. Simply, in this Feversky rearrangement reaction, what is the definition of this Feversky rearrangement reaction? Definition: when alpha halo ketone containing compounds are converted into acids and esters and amides in the presence of base, then this reaction is known as Feversky rearrangement reaction. This is the definition. Here, note down this definition. Now coming to the reaction of this Feversky rearrangement reaction. What is the reaction? Initially we can take alpha halo ketone containing compound. For example, this is the alpha halo. This is the carbon compound. This is the alpha carbon alpha halo ketone containing compound in the presence of base. These are the base OH minus ion. This is the base, another base OR minus ion, another base NH2 minus ion. Okay, these are the bases. In the presence of base, it forms this type of product. Carboxylic acid group, and another product ester is formed. And another product amide is formed. Okay, initially we can take alpha halo ester. In the presence of base, it forms acids, esters and amides are formed. Okay, this is the reaction of Feversky rearrangement reaction. Please note down this reaction. Now coming to the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, initially in this mechanism we can take alpha halo ester. This is the alpha halo ester, and which is treated with base. It removes some water molecule, then it forms a carbanion is formed. In this reaction, in this carbanion intermediate, it removes a chlorine minus ion, and here it creates a carbocation. This minus charge attacking this positive charge, it forms a bond. This type of reaction takes place. Okay, this type of reaction takes place. Now in this reaction, this bond is migration here whenever which is treated with base, and this minus charge attacking this carbocation, then it forms this type of reaction. Okay, this type of reaction is formed, and this minus charge migration here, and this bond is migration here, and which is protonation takes place, or it forms a carbanion is formed. this reaction, which is protonation, takes place. Finally, our required product is formed, that is acid is formed, carboxylic acid group is formed. Okay, this is the our required product from alpha halo ketone containing compound, which is treated with base, then it forms our required product, that is acid is formed. This is the our required product, acid is formed. Okay, I hope you can understand this mechanism. In these applications, initially we can take, what are the first application? We can take a cyclohexanone, that is the ketone containing compound, alpha halo ketone containing compound, which is treated with base, then it forms this type of product, that is carboxylic acid group from alpha halo ester, which is treated with base, then it forms alpha halo ester. Alpha halo ketone containing compound, which is treated with base, then it forms carboxylic acid group. Now coming to the second application, what our need? For example, alpha halo. This is the alpha halo ketone containing compound, which is treated with base, then it forms our required product, acid containing compound. Our required product is formed. This is the second application of Tavorski rearrangement reaction. These are the applications of Tavorski rearrangement reaction. I hope you can understand this rearrangement reaction, that is Tavorski rearrangement reaction, definition, reaction, mechanism, and applications. This is the Tavorski rearrangement reaction. Okay, I hope you can understand this concept. Thank you.